Having problem with the gears, is the gear is not shifting properly, or the derailleur is not shifting well, or is it making some ticking noise or sound? I'm going to show you an example. What does this look like when the gear is not aligned? In most cases when this happens, that means the wire, the gear shift wire, is loose. That's the wire, as you see, and that's normal. It happens with every bicycle, any bike or electric bike. This is normal. So you need to tension that wire. As you ride, it will get loose, and you need to tension the wire, and this way you will align the gear or the derailleur with the sprocket. So you need to counterclockwise this wire. Give it a turn or 2 turns and see how that changes the sound. So counterclockwise, and let's do that and see what's going to happen. So right now you see the gear, it's up, but it's still making ticking noise. So you want to give it another counterclockwise. Let's give that a try. Okay, give it another 2 turns. 1, 2. Another 1. Now the gear is smooth. It's not making any ticking sound, and it's perfect. So you're all good. Just one thing I wanted to add: in the future, if you had some kind of issues like that, the gear is not shifting up or shifting down, again, it's all about this wire. So if you counterclockwise this spiral, the gear will go up, and if you clockwise, the gear will go down. So if you're having an issue with the gears down the road, you can always tension the wire or loosen the wire. Basically, the wire, it just pulls the derailleur and align it with the cassette.